everything you need to know about Bharat Bond ETF. When you look at a fixed income offering, what are the key features you will look at? Safety, predictability of returns, ability to get your money back when needed, tax efficiency. What is Bharat Bond ETF? Bharat Bond ETF is a unique fixed income product that invests our money in Government of India owned bonds. Bharat Bond ETF follows a target maturity structure, which means the fund has a defined maturity date at which you get your capital back along with the interest. There will be two product offerings that are available with a maturity period of 3.5 years and 10 years accordingly, that is by April 2023 and by April 2030 respectively. In both cases, at the end of the maturity period, you will get the capital back with the return acquired to you. Because of the target maturity structure of the Bharat Bond and the fact that it is an ETF, each series of Bharat Bond will have an index. The index will be provided by NSE. This gives an additional transparency in Bharat Bond so that you can see holdings daily. What are the benefits of Bharat Bond ETF? Bharat Bond ETF brings in the best features of bonds, mutual funds, and ETF. Predictability associated with the bonds. Also, its defined maturity. It has the benefit of holding a portfolio of securities or diversification that comes with a mutual fund product. And it is managed by professional. It has the feature of an ETF, low cost, high transparency, and the ability to enter and exit without any restrictions. What are the risks associated with it? In any fixed income products, there are two major risks. They are interest rate risk and the credit rate risk. IRR is the risk associated with the exchange in bond prices when the interest rate moves. CRR is the risk associated with the default in underlying companies. Product like Bharat Bond, which has a target maturity structure, the risk is relatively minimized if an investor holds the product throughout the holding period. Product like Bharat Bond, because you are holding highest rated or AAA rated companies backed by the Government of India, the credit risk is comparatively lower. What is the expected return from Bharat Bond ETF? Bharat Bond is a product that has an underlying index. The yield of the index is a good indication of the kind of returns that an investor could expect. The yield of the index is the average yield of the weighted average period of the all underlying bonds in the product, and this will give you an idea of the returns you should expect. How does taxation works in Bharat Bond? Bharat Bond has the advantage of a good indexation based tax structure. What is indexation? Indexation means that the tax you pay will be the tax on the product minus the prevailing rate of inflation. Example, if the product has a return of 6.5% and the prevailing rate of inflation is 3%, then the difference is 6.5% minus 3% taxable returns, which is 3.5%, on which the rate of tax would be 20%. So your tax bill would be 70 basis points. This is a different form of fixed deposit structure, for instance, where tax is your marginal rate of taxation. Bharat Bond is reasonably tax advantageous. Why should you invest in Bharat Bond ETF? For investors looking for safety, liquidity, predictability of returns, and tax efficiency at low cost, Bharat Bond fulfills those needs in your portfolio. Also, you have two options. Either you can choose a short term in which it is 3 years, or a long term option which is 10 years.